All right, so today we're going to be doing a private jet photo shoot and scan and video. So what do I have? I'm bringing our Ronin. I'm bringing a large iPad that's going to connect to the Matterport tripod, Matterport Pro 3 ball head, the Matterport itself, and I'm bringing a Canon R6 with a 16 to 35 millimeter lens, wide angle with a flash and a diffuser. So we got our camera gear, we got our Matterport gear, and we got our video gear. Let's go. So now we're getting all the gear out. We got the Matterport tripod, a regular tripod. Gonna get a backpack with the Matterport, and nope, you stay for now. Backpack. Okay, so you stay. Okay, so now we're gonna get backpack and then the Matterport. You stay. Nope, we'll go to the Delphi after. Or gonna go meet the client. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna open up the hangar, we're gonna move the other plane out, and then we're gonna reposition this one right in the center, and then we're gonna get it hooked up to some power, and then we'll probably from there do the full Matterport around it. Then we'll move into photography of it, get some video of it, and then I'm thinking if we have time, we'll take it out and get some shots of it, you know, out with the blue skies. So that's our plan. Okay, so I'm thinking we're just gonna knock out the Matterport first. So I'm gonna go ahead and move all the gear out and hide it, and then we'll go from there. We're actually just about done with the scan now. We scanned the full exterior of the plane. Okay, so we just wrapped our Matterport scan. So now let's move into doing some photography. We'll do some exterior photography, probably do exterior HDR photography. We'll do the same interior, and then we'll do some single flash image or exposure photography as well. Okay, so just wrap with the Matterport. If you have LTE on your iPad, you can start uploading now. And you go ahead and put that away roughly for a second. We finished the Matterport scan. Now let's move into photography. So I'm just gonna move fast. I'm not gonna really talk that much. I'm just gonna move around it and do wide of the whole thing. And then I might come and do some closer shots after. that's a wrap. From the hangar to the runway, we captured this aircraft inside and out. Photos, video, and a full 3D Matterport scan. Now our client has everything they need to market to the right buyers. If you've got something you want showcased at this level, we'd love to help. Like and subscribe to follow more behind the scenes projects, and we'll catch you on the next one.